Want to get the most out of Dola AI? Yeah, there are some tips and tricks that can make your workflow faster, smarter, and more creative. In this guide, I'll show you the best ways to use Dola AI like a pro. Start by keeping your chats and projects organized. Pin important conversations, rename chats, and use folders or categories if available. A clean workspace keeps you focused and saves time. Dola AI has bots for writing, summarizing, research, and more. Add bots that fit your needs and experiment with their strengths. This lets you leverage the AI for different tasks efficiently. To get the best results, be specific with your prompts. Include the topic, style, tone, and length. Clear instructions save time and give you better outputs. Use templates for recurring tasks like weekly blogs, newsletters, or social media posts. Templates save you from rewriting prompts every time. Reuse prompts, schedule recurring tasks, or generate multiple pieces with one template. Automation keeps your workflow fast and consistent. Always check AI outputs and make edits. Small tweaks improve clarity, style, and accuracy, keeping your content high quality. And that's it. Organize your workspace, use AI bots strategically, write clear prompts, create templates, automate tasks, and review your outputs. These tips and tricks make Dola AI work harder so you can work smarter